All right, so once you are done with your frequency separation and you have result like this, of course here we haven't actually, just an example though, this picture is not very well edited yet. You can see the difference in color, a hand and a face. So let's talk about what you do after frequency separation. What you do after frequency separation is working on the highlights and the shadows, and that's what they call dodging and burning. Dodging and burning. For that, you are going to use the brush tool. And how do you dodge and burn? There are various ways of dodging and burning, almost 6 ways, but I'm just going to show you one, and then I'm going to show you the rest ways with plugin. Okay, so now the first one is use of curve, which is the most popular method, and that one, when you take things up, it becomes brighter, and that is what they call dodge. Increasing the highlight is what they call dodge. I'm going to close it now, turn it off. I'm going to grab another one, which is the curve again, and bring it down, and that is what they call burn, because it's like if you are burning something, whatever you burn turns darker, so you are bringing it down. This is burn. Now, why do you need these two? I'm going to turn it off. Well, dodging and burning makes object looks 3D. Just imagine anything that has shadows and have highlight, like you, a light on your body and your shadow on the ground. So it gives you a perception of 3D, meaning once something is flat, like 2D, once you increase the highlight and decrease the shadow, it gives you a perception of 3D perception. So it makes you look like, makes it look very real, and makes it look avoid flatness of image. They call it flatness. Okay, so now if I turn it on, it will come back because the max is white, and this as well, the increase max is white. So I'm going to name this one dodge, DODGE, enter. I'm going to name this one burn, 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 enter. So we have dodging and burning. Now we don't want it all over the place. We want it just to increase the highlights. Where are the highlights? The highlights is the brightest side. You can see the nose, that's one of the highlights. You can see this hand, that's highlight. You can see the highlight on the hair. You can see the highlight on what she's putting on. The highlight on the hair are these white places. Okay, and on top of her lips you can see the highlight. The dark are beside the nose, under the eyes. The shadows are the dark. Look at this place, they are called dark. Under a cheek here, dark. Now this is what you're going to do. Let's turn this two on. You're going to invert the mask, Control I, and here as well, Control I. Now you're going to paint with the full brush, opacity 100, flow 100, and draw on the highlight like this. I'm going to draw on the highlight like this. Make sure the mask is black, so make sure your foreground color is white, so change it to white, and then you can drag like this. You can even drag 2 lines like this, one, and you're just going to drag it on the highlight, paint the highlight. I'm going to paint this highlight like this, paint these 2 highlights. So I'm going to paint this one like this. It's just increasing, you know, you need to know more about makeup here. And this, there's an highlight here. I'm just going to drag this one, and there's an highlight here, drag. I'm focusing more on the face, so she's smiling, and let's put some here. I'm going to put one around this side, and this side, and this side. Okay, so yeah, as well, if she have all over her body as well, you can put others there. So I'm gonna do somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, and here. Let's do like this. Okay, so let's see, that's what we want to achieve. I'm gonna go to the burn layer now, because I want to make the face look, the nose look narrow. I'm gonna draw it beside the nose like this, and draw it, draw, and just the shadows. I'm gonna make the jaw V by bringing this in. Now look at this jaw, they are not the same, so you know you have to use liquify for it to make this one. Okay, that's another class. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and blur it. So go to filter, blur. This is but this time around you need to zoom out very well. So I'm going to zoom out, go to filter for the face, select the mask, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you're going to blur, keep blurring till it disappears. Yeah, so somewhere 6, 7, and it's okay. The next one, select the dodge, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you're going to blur it till not disappear like that. So I like bringing highlights, making it a little bit pronounced. Yeah, something like this. So let's zoom in, and I'm gonna group the two, and you're gonna see what just happened. So before, you can see it looks flat, and now it looks like 3D. It's there but it's not there. You can see how it makes everything. So that's dodging and burning. You dodge and burn. You can even go inside and increase the dodge. Just take it up if you feel like it's not okay. This one as well, I can take it downwards, and you can as well decrease the opacity, and you can still paint all over. So before and after. So that's dodge and burn. There's so many other method, and I'm going to show you.